G'day, and welcome to the fourth video in this 5-part series. Over the last 3 videos, we've explored some powerful concepts: the neural net, the path of awareness, and the ego. Each one is essential to understanding how your brain and nervous system work, but they're even more powerful when you see how they all fit together. Let's start with the neural net. This is how your brain learns and adapts. Every experience, thought, or habit, which are all skills, create new connections in your brain. It's the foundation of how you perceive the world and react or respond to it. Next, we have the path of awareness. This is how you move from reacting automatically to responding intentionally. When you develop awareness, you can start to guide how your neural net forms, making choices that lead to healthier patterns. Your brain builds itself in neuroplasticity, and it will continue to build behaviours that you deem as detrimental if you don't do anything about it. This neuroplasticity is working, whether you want it to or not. It is happening inside your brain. So if you harness the power of neuroplasticity, you can break down any detrimental behaviours that you may be unaware of right now. Can use the path of awareness to break these patterns down at a biological level. And then you can, with focus and intention and awareness, choose the patterns that you get your brain to build. You become the architect of your neural net, the architect of your behavior, the architect of your neural patterns. And then there's the ego. This is your inner voice, the part of you that tries to protect you, that does an amazing job at trying to protect you, but often, even with the best intentions, it gets in the way. By observing and managing your ego, you can quiet the noise in your mind and focus on what truly matters. And that can help you along the path of awareness. When you get to the stage where you've realized that the behavior that you're participating in isn't all that great, pay attention to the ego. See what it's saying. And when you hear those noises again, those words, those phrases, recognize that it's a guide that will help you move back along that path of awareness to awareness. It's a signpost that's telling you that you can change. It's not a given. You don't have to listen to that ego forever. But it's a really good indication of where you are on that path of awareness. And you can actually get to the stage where you thank your ego from the bottom of your heart for showing you where you are. And that helps you change the biological structure, the neural net of your brain. So here's how it all ties together. Your neural net represents the structure of your brain. This is the biology. This is happening whether you want it to or not. Neuroplasticity is an inborn ability of a human being. The path of awareness is the process that helps you take control of that structure. It helps you realize when you are participating in unaware behaviour, especially unaware behaviour that is detrimental. We have a lot of unaware behaviour that is beneficial to us. That's great. That's how it's meant to be. But your brain makes these structures. It doesn't know whether the behaviour it's building is beneficial or detrimental. It just makes it. It's a process that is happening every single day. So noticing where you are on the path of awareness will help you guide the building, the breaking down of detrimental patterns and the building of beneficial patterns. And the ego is the voice that we learn to manage along the way. It's the voice that can show us where we are on that path of awareness. And it can indicate which behaviours we need to break down and which new behaviours we need to build up. Together, they create a roadmap for breaking free from detrimental patterns and building a healthier, happier life. So this is our framework for change. This framework isn't just theoretical. It's a foundation, a science-backed foundation for reducing chronic pain, calming your nervous system, and creating lasting transformation in every single area of your life, should you choose to utilize it. In the final video, we'll introduce the Trinity Healing Method, a holistic approach that brings everything we've talked about to life. And we'll show you how you can take the first step of utilizing this structure and regaining your freedom today. Don't miss it.